Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like your financial goals are just a distant dream? What if I told you that in just 6 weeks, you could take control of your money, start saving effortlessly, and even spend guilt-free on the things you love? Welcome to the life-changing strategies of I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Stick around as we dive into how this no-nonsense guide can transform your finances and help you build your very own rich life, starting today. Meet Alina. Like many of us, Alina was living paycheck to paycheck, juggling multiple credit cards, and feeling drowned by high interest rates.
I knew I had to change something. I was tired of throwing money away on interest.
Alina decided to take control. The first step? Understanding her spending and getting her credit card usage in check.
I started by listing all my credit cards, their interest rates, and rewards. Then, I set up a plan to pay off the high-interest ones first. I even called my credit card companies to negotiate lower rates. To my surprise, 2 of them actually agreed.
The lesson is week 1, optimize your credit cards.
Every month, it's the same story. Fees, more fees, and I'm not even sure what some of these are for. I have had enough of the bank's endless fees and complicated account options.
Alina decided it was time for a change. Time to beat the banks at their own game.
I started by listing what I actually need from a bank. No more paying for services I don't use.
Lesson 2, week 2, beat the banks.
Every month, I used to wonder where all my money went. It felt like no matter how hard I worked, I couldn't keep any of it. Then, I discovered the power of a conscious spending plan. I learned to prioritize my financial future without sacrificing my present joys. The real game changer was automating my savings and investments. Money started growing while I was literally sleeping.
The lesson is, week 3, save while sleeping. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey today. I hope you found these insights as transformative as we did. If you're ready to take the first step towards your rich life, I have something special for you. You can get I Will Teach You to Be Rich for free with our exclusive Audible link below. It's the book that started it all for me, and it can do the same for you.